Hi, my name is Marie from Marie Burgers Design. I'm very pleased to welcome you today in this beautiful loft that I've designed at the edge of Tribeca, New York. This loft is part of a legendary building called the Spice Warehouse. It was built in 1895 as a warehouse for the spice trade. So it was important for my client and I to maintain as many as the original fixtures and details as we could. I describe the aesthetic of this home as a high-end bachelor pad. It's been designed to encourage the perfect city lifestyle for entertaining, relaxing. It's huge at over 3,500 square feet with ceilings that are over 12 feet high. So the challenge with this open floor plan was to give each area its distinct character. So allons-y, let's start right out of the private elevator. Right near the elevator, we hang a beautiful leather mirror over a walnut and metal console table that I've designed, and I've echoed these walnut and metal finishes throughout the home. From floor to ceiling, this open living space showcases some of the original historical features, such as the iron columns, a solid wood ceiling beam, and the original brick wall, which were all salvaged from the Spice Warehouse. I grounded the living room with an Italian custom sectional sofa. We chose a low-profile sofa to keep the space visually open and accentuate the ceiling height. It has integrated leather side table to place drinks and lots of plush pillows for comfort while entertaining. It sits over a luxurious Himalayan wood and silk rug in ivory nuances to bring in additional light. I've designed a sofa bookcase that wraps around the sectional and provides space for beautiful displays. And because I hate wires everywhere, I designed a sliding high-gloss media table to hide all that messiness. The circular walnut and metal coffee table from my furniture collection pairs perfectly with the curves of the Dinamarquesa Brazilian leather accent chair. We also created this amazing floor-to-ceiling library. We chose oak here because it mimics the tones of the bricks. The dining area showcases this 12-foot-long live-edge walnut table with comfortable seating, including this high-back floating banquette. To bring glamour, we hung this chandelier and this custom walnut mirror, hung at an angle like in a Parisian brasserie. Under the dining table, we placed this dark cowhide rug to further define the area and bring a bit of drama. To create a seamless transition between the living space and the kitchen, we wrapped the island in a walnut finish and integrated vintage bronze hardware on all the cabinetry. It's touches like this that brings cohesion to a larger space. I hid the control panels behind this clever console table that I've designed, in metal and walnut, of course. On our way to the main bedroom, I just want to show you this moody yet inviting guest suite. It has the warmest tones of the entire home, with its cowhide wall covering and its rich orange upholstery. I just wanted it to feel like a boutique hotel where you can escape normal life for a little while. And now for the main bedroom. I wanted to create a serene, luxurious retreat. We use a leather wall treatment, custom cut in a brick pattern. And because my client's favorite color is blue, we've used blue tones throughout. You can see it in the wool and silk rug and in the high gloss blue wall and the window treatments. The bed is a floating concept with an oversized headboard in a soft cream mohair fabric to contrast with the more masculine leather finish. We custom designed it to be slightly elevated with floating nightstands in solid walnut and blue steel to create a feel of lightness and accentuate the ceiling height, lit by a beautiful David Wicks chandelier. I hope you've enjoyed seeing my design for this downtown bachelor pad. It's a place where historical details blend perfectly with a chic modern look. Thanks for coming. Au revoir.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?